Today's topic for discussion is copper fungicides. Copper fungicides, these are also very commonly used for the management of different types of diseases. Let us see all the details of copper fungicides. Millardet, one of the scientists in 1882, has been tried copper sulfate as a fungicide against downy mildew disease of grapes. He was a professor at University of Bordeaux and he published the results of treated and untreated vines with analytical data and by 1887 great success was reported in the control of diseases. The mixture of copper sulfate and lime rapidly became famous under the name Bordeaux mixture. This mixture was also found effective against blight diseases of potato in 1885, and it was started to have checked an attack of blight on tomatoes. At first time, Bordeaux mixture was applied in vineyard as a paste brushed over the infected areas with fiber broom, but by 1885 used as spray. Though the properties of the ingredients and the manner of preparation have changed many times. Let us see next slide. The important copper fungicides used for the management of the plant diseases are Bordeaux mixture, Bordeaux paste, Burgundy mixture, chestnut compound and Chaubesia paste. All these are the copper fungicides which are commonly used for the management of the disease. Let us see the details of Bordeaux mixture. Bordeaux mixture is a copper fungicide which is used against mildew diseases of grapes and diseases of variety of crops. Bordeaux mixture is a product of reaction of copper sulfate and calcium hydroxide. It is the most widely used copper fungicide all over the world. It controls many fungal and bacterial leaf spot diseases, blight diseases, anthracnose, downy mildews, cankers, and causes burning of leaves or rosetting of fruits such as apple when applied in wet weather. The phytotoxicity of Bordeaux mixture is reduced by increasing the ratio of lime to copper sulfate. Next. Since copper is the only ingredient in Bordeaux mixture that is toxic to pathogens and sometimes to plants, the concentration of ingredients of Bordeaux mixture varies according to the crop and the disease. Higher concentrations are used in case of woody and tough tissues, while the lower concentrations is useful in spraying on younger and actively growing plants. The composition of original mixture is 15% copper sulfate and 8% lime. The standard concentration of Bordeaux mixture, which can possess a broad spectrum of plant diseases, is prepared. This mixture can control a broad spectrum of plant diseases, and it is prepared by taking the following composition. In this case, it has to be taken that the copper sulfate has to be taken that is 2.268 kg. Hydrated lime we have to take 2.268 kg and the water 50 gallons. We have to mix well and mixture fungicide is ready for spray. Preparation, or let us see the details of preparation of mixture. How to prepare the Bordeaux mixture. Take a copper sulfate at least 98% of purity and dissolve in 50 gallon of water in wooden vessel. Allow to dissolve. Take a freshly burned lump lime in another wooden vessel and mix it in a 50 gallon water. Allow to mix by constant stirring. It becomes uniform cream-like solution. The two solutions are prepared separately and the prepared copper sulfate solution is slowly poured into the tub containing the lime solution with constant stirring. The resulting mixture is called Bordeaux mixture. Next. The formula for standard Bordeaux mixture is as follow. Just I discussed above. The Bordeaux mixture is effective when used immediately after preparation, and it get deteriorated if left for some time. A stock solution of two ingredients can be kept for some duration separately in wooden vessels. These can be mixed when actually required. What are the advantages of Bordeaux mixture? Advantages in this case, its adhesiveness and tenacity is important. Its effectiveness as a fungicide, it is advantage, and its relative cheapness, its safety to handle, its harmless, its beneficial effect on some plants in preserving the foliage apart from its fungicidal actions. It controls a variety of fungal and bacterial diseases of plant. These are the advantages or beneficial effects of Bordeaux mixture. Next. What are the disadvantages of Bordeaux mixture? Sometimes phytotoxic to tender leaves and other parts of the soft tissue. This is the disadvantage. Sometimes blemishes occur on the fruit. Bordeaux mixture used to control fungal and bacterial leaf spot, blight diseases, anthracnose, downy mildew, cankers of various plants. It is specific against downy mildew diseases, late blights of potato, cholera disease of areca nut, coffee rust, and downy mildew of grapes. These are beneficial effects. Bordeaux pest. What is Bordeaux pest? It consists of the same ingredients as in Bordeaux mixture, but it is in the form of paste, which is specially used for dressing of wounds of the trees to control entry of fungal pathogen. It is effective against stem bleeding disease of coconut. It is prepared by adding 1 lb of copper sulfate and 1 lb of lime to 1 gallon of water. Next. Burgundy mixture. It is the modification of Bordeaux mixture. It is less toxic than Bordeaux mixture. Hence, it can be used to control disease of tender leaves and twigs. In this, the lime is substituted by sodium carbonate, and hence it is sometimes called as soda Bordeaux. The composition ingredient of Burgundy mixture is copper sulfate 4.536 kg, sodium carbonate 5.66 kg, water 50 gallon. Burgundy mixture does not cause any injury to the plant organ. This is the beneficial effect. Let us see chestnut compound. It is also a copper fungicide. Chestnut compound consists of 2 parts of copper sulfate and 11 parts of ammonium carbonate. The two substances are well powdered and mixed. The dry mixture is stored in an airtight bottle for 24 hours before being used. In exposed condition, it loses ammonia and becomes less effective. Hence, airtight packing is needed. At the time of preparation, take 1 ounce the mixture in few ml of hot water and 2 gallons of quantity is made by adding cold water. It is less phytotoxic. Chestnut compound is used. The chestnut compound is used to control damping of diseases of seedlings, and this fungicide is also used to control soil-borne fungal, bacterial and nematodal plant pathogens. It is also used as soil drench in nursery beds. Next, Chaubesia pest. It is also a copper fungicide. Chaubesia pest is prepared by it has firstly prepared by Singh in 1942-43 at Government Fruit Research Center at Chaubesia in Almora district of Uttar Pradesh in India. Chaubesia pest consists of the following ingredients. In this, copper carbonate is 800 grams, red lead is 800 grams, and raw linseed oil is 1 liter. This pest is effective in prune parts of pears, apples and peaches for the control of diseases like stem black, stem browning, pink diseases, stem canker of apples and pears, and collar rot of apples, peaches, apricot, and plum. These diseases can be controlled by the use of Chaubecia pest. This is all about copper fungicides.